What's up my stylish people, this is Shank. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, it's going to be little different in terms of the bottom wear. Yes, you guessed it right. No need to guess, of course it's visible on the title. This is striped pants haul. Striped doesn't mean that only a vertical stripes. Yes, a horizontal striped trouser as well in this haul. Please do watch the entire video because I will be including the tips in between the video for what exactly the color combinations you have to go for and how you should go for and the advantages with the vertical stripes as well as the horizontal stripes. Starting with the piece number one, it is a H&M blue vertical striped pant, or it's called as a jogger as well, in a size of small, which equals to size 31. In case Myntra lists them with the size 31, you have to consider that it equals the small size. Coming to this trouser, I picked this for one of my hauls and it became one of my instant favorite, guys. In case if you don't know the advantages what you get with the vertical striped pants, it gives the vertical illusion in order for you guys to look tall, and being this a dark color, you can look thin and you can look tall. These are the advantages when you go for the darker color combinations when it comes to the vertical striped pants. And if it is your first color, I highly recommend you guys to go for the darker color options and play subtle with this one. Why I like this specific jogger or a drawstring pant from H&M? Because the base for this is the blue color and the stripes are so subtle with the form of white. These are the neutral color combinations you have to go for when investing in your first piece of drawstring pants, in specific drawstring joggers which are vertical striped. The fit need to be slim in order to give the proper illusion or proper look of the vertical striped pants. When I got this at a price point of 1200 rupees. It may or may not be in stock at this moment, but I got you guys covered. I did the hard part for you guys. I suggested a similar option from Jack & Jones, which is priced at 3500 rupees, but after discount you may get it for 1200 to 1300 at the same price point. It is also a drawstring pant. It is also having the blue color with the white stripes, exact same pant, and even the Jack & Jones have the elastane composition to it. Moving on to the vertical stripe trouser number 2. It is a grey color vertical stripe trouser from Jack & Jones, which I got it in a size of small. It is priced at 3000 rupees, guys, but it is almost discounted all the time because it was released 2 seasons earlier. I got this at a price point of 1200 rupees and it is easily one of my second or third favorite, because even here, whatever I have mentioned, whatever the tips I gave for you guys, the base color need to be neutral and then you have to play with the color of the stripes. This can be as easy as color you get, and on top of that, even the drawstring for this one, it's in the black color, so it is also not going to stand out and you can trust them very easily. As I mentioned earlier with the Jack & Jones trousers, generally they have the composition of an elastane to it, so it's gonna be super comfortable. At a price point of less than 1500, it's an absolute must-have in case if you are interested in a striped pants. And also a point to consider, guys, the prices may vary depending on when you're shopping during the sale time. Sometimes you may get it for less and sometimes you may get it for more. Yes, you do have the horizontal striped pants as well. This is a horizontal striped pant in a black and white color, means black is the base, from Jack & Jones in a size of 30, which equals to small size in case if you are curious about that. This one is actually priced very highly at 3300 rupees, but it was discounted very heavily. What exactly I liked? The number one, it comes with a contrast white color elastic band on back side of the waist, which gives that different look when it comes to this trouser, and also the black color being the base and the white stripes being so subtle, it gives you versatility as well. And coming to the third point, the fit of it. It is super stretchy, guys. It fits you well because of the composition of it, not necessarily that it is a skinny fit one. It is actually a slim fit one, and my general size in Jack & Jones when it comes to the drawstring pants or these kind of pants is small size. So I went true to size. Coming to the minor disqualifier, I want to point out, this is not exactly the disqualifier which is related to quality or something like that. In general, when it comes to the horizontal striped pants, if you want to look tall, you have to avoid this pant, guys, because horizontal stripes aren't something which can make you look tall. So you have to skip this option. If not, you can just give it a try. Moving on to the next two vertical striped trousers, because those both are the same trousers in a different colors from the same brand, which is Mr. Bowerbird. Moving in specific to the trouser number 1 from Mr. Bowerbird. It is a white and blue vertical striped pant. It is not a drawstring pants, but it have drawstrings inside. I got this in a size of 32 and these are priced very highly, but often discounted very highly during the sale times, but only during the sale times. Normal times, they will be priced on a retail basis, which is actually very expensive for this brand, but they do offer the quality option, guys. And when it comes to the fit of these pants, these are the regular fit pants. That's something which concerns me a bit when it comes to the fit of these pants. And even the length of these pants, they are like an inch or two more because they do not have the inseam length options. I have to get them tailored, but I just managed with pin rolling the trousers. But overall, if I have a chance, generally I would get them tailored. And moving on to the specific trouser number 2, when it comes to the Mr. Bowerbird brand, it is an olive green color vertical stripe trouser. And if you guys don't know, olive green is one of my favorite color, and that's the reason behind just picking this pant. Nothing more than that. It is just a same trouser in a different colorway, and in particular both of these trousers being the stripes a little bit thicker. Generally, if you see all the trousers what you have come across in this video, the stripes are on the thinner side. For this, the stripes are on the thicker side, so these are much more kind of a statement piece or a bolder pieces, and it is a little bit tough to pull or mix and match. I got them at a price point of somewhere around 1100 to 1200 rupees. If you get them at that price point, I feel it's worth anything more than 1500. I don't think so. These are worth buying. Moving on to the last vertical stripe trouser. It is a grey and blue vertical striped suit pant from Jack & Jones, which I got it in a size of 32, which equals to size 48 if you're not sure, because it's a suit pant. So they come with a 46, 48, 50, those kind of sizes. So my waist size is 32 when it comes to the suit pants because it's a slimmer fit. It fits well, albeit with one major disqualifier: the length of this pant. It sits a little bit higher on the waist, but still it is super lengthy, guys. I have to just at least pin roll once or twice in order for the pant to look presentable. Being it a suit pant, I feel that this is something which is a little bit concerning, because generally Jack & Jones suit pants, they fit you so well and the inseam length would be just perfect. This one, for some weird reason, it sits a little bit on the higher side when it comes to the waist, and also the length being little more. The fit is not going to be flattering if you don't take this pant for tailoring. So I just want to show you guys, that's the reason I haven't tailored it still. However, I love the color, guys. Being it a gray color, even though it's mentioned as a white and blue, I feel that the color is much more towards the gray color, and on top of that you have that blue stripes, which actually adds to that. It is a part of a complete suit, guys. I got even the blazer as well. I just loved how versatile this can be and how classy it can be. Got at a crazy price point of below 1000 rupees. I hope you guys like this video on the best striped pants for men to buy in 2021. If you did so, click the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the post notification bell in order to get notified as soon as I upload a video. That's it from me. See you guys next time.